Okay, so this is considered a topic in AP Statistics, so if you're doing these on the first try, good job. This is something that I noticed a lot of people were struggling with, so this is the main reason I wanted to do the videos for Con. Let's look at this example. A restaurant noted what type of food its customers ordered last week. Here are the results. Find the probability, so I'm going to read this very carefully. Find the probability that a randomly chosen customer ordered a burger given, there's that word given, that they ordered fries. So I'm looking at the folks who ordered fries. 50% ordered fries. Of that 50%, these people ordered a burger in addition to the fries. So then that would be 40 out of 50, or 4/5. Okay, this is the type you're going to see on your test. Find the probability that the senator was in the Democratic Party given that the senator was returning to office. So given that the senator was returning to office, that's the group that I'm going to look at. Here's returning, right here. So returning to office is this row. And I'm looking at the probability that the senator was Democratic. So let's look at Democrats. Well, I'm not worried about first term. I'm not worried about total for either of these categories, Republican or Independent. I'm looking at if the senator was returning to office, so that's this group of 60 senators, 33 of them are Democrats. So 33 out of 60. And I think the Con is excellent for this because we've only done a couple of examples, and one or two you might feel like a little shaky on it. Do enough of these, you're going to feel more confident. Your confidence is going to build. Dennis examined the records of the clients who had joined his gym more than 6 months ago. And he found these statistics. Find the probability that a client remained a member for more than 6 months. Okay, member for more than 6 months, given that the client joined in January. So then I'm going to look at people who were members for over 6 months and joined in January out of the people who joined in January. So actually I underlined this, but I don't need this. I need people who joined in January, both of the categories, and were members for more than 6 months. So that's this. And then divided by people who joined in January. So that's 12%. So let's see, that would be 0.024 divided by 0.12. Let me read that again and make sure I'm doing this right. I got 0.2. Join, probability the client remained a member for more than 6 months given that they joined in January. So you do both divided by whatever is after given. That's one way to kind of figure these out. So 0.2. Okay, here's another two-way table. Researchers surveyed 100 students on which superpower they would most like to have. The two-way table displays data for the sample of students who responded to the survey. So find the probability that the student was male given that the student chose to fly. Given that the student chose to fly means we're looking at this subgroup. These 40 students, we want the probability that the student was male. Male out of the students that chose to fly. So that would be 30 out of 40 or 3/4. And that's the kind of question you're going to see on the test. Okay, hopefully that helps you get this topic